it's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we're 1,000 members
How is it now compared before?
now. We're at 1,000 members or more.
Yes.
Well, currently,
1.4K.
right now, 1,000. Oh, yeah, 1.4K. 1,000 members yung capacity ng clan, but the 1.4K is on Discord, I think.
Yep. So what pushed the change? Feeling mo, boss, like ano yung main reason kung bakit natin ginawa yun?
Okay, so the main reason kung bakit tayo nag-restructure ng clan is more of a management thing, if I could say that. Marami kasi nangyayari na it's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we're 1,000 members. There's so many members. You can't keep track of everyone on the server and on the clan.
You can't please them all.
So yes, you can't please them all. You can't track what is happening to everyone. So we structured the clan or the chain of command.
May two-way split na nga.
Basically.
Warframe and
Yes.
non-warframe. Yo, what is up? And we're back with another episode of
The Exiled Podcast.
And here we are with Rixanity.
And Krona, broadcasting from the decentralized abyss.
It has been a week since our last episode, and we are excited to bring everyone another series of antics and shenanigans from yours truly, the Exiled Philippines.
So we are kicking things off with a game we know pretty well, and that is Warframe. The usual grind, those 3 a.m. sessions, farming for primes and materials, and of course the flexings of fashion frames. The true endgame.
So the quick recap for the last episode. Last episode, we talked about the Exiled PH, how it got formed and founded, and how it is right now. Now we're talking more about the general Warframe experience as a long-time player. So, Bosek, what made you start playing Warframe? How was your experience so far?
Okay, so I started playing Warframe. It's been so long, like I can't even remember how, but I remembered why. Okay, so before I was really into
Yeah.
League of Legends. Yes, like every day.
Of course.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, before that, Dota. You know what I mean? Then transition to League. Tapos, ayan. So, I played like League almost every day. Nasa com shop ako. Then, it's just League all day, man. And, you know,
Typical high schooler.
yeah. Pero, syempre, the thought is there na, yeah, you're enjoying with your friends. Pero, you're playing like almost every day. Papasok yung burnout. Right?
Yep.
I mean, there is burnout. Every repetitive thing.
I get what you mean.
Yeah, every repetitive thing, there's always a burnout right there. So yeah,
Mm.
just
So-
one night, I was just browsing na sa Steam na games. So I was just looking right now na nakaumay mag-league. So let me just find something on Steam na libre. Kasi usong-uso yun dati mga free games, di ba?
Yep,
So,
free to
may
play.
mga ganun. Free to play. As yun, then I'm just scrolling. Tapos minakita ko. Actually, dalawa yun eh. It's like War Robots and Warframe.
Yeah.
So I just checked both. Sabi ko, But they're both free to
I
play,
mean-
actually. Yeah, they're both free to play. So,
They both have war on them, you know what I mean?
yeah. They both have war in there. So, you know, yeah. And I just checked now Warframe. So, this game is interesting kasi, diba, like, you know Power Rangers. You know,
Yeah.
Kamen Riders, yeah? So,
Yeah,
parang
and you like
ano ko na, this Warframe game looks so cool. Kasi may mga ganito. Wala pa akong like vague idea of what the game really is. Or
Yeah.
kasi
It's,
diba,
it's like a new experience
yeah,
for
it's
you.
a new experience.
It made you
So
curious.
I don't even know what looter shooter is. I don't even know what I don't know kasi dati I
Extraction
played
shooter.
extraction shooter. That's not a thing before. Just there,
Mhm.
you play it, you enjoy it. That's good. Diba?
Yep, you go in, you kill people, you just go back.
So yun.
Repeat.
So that time, ayun, nangyari is, I played Warframe, started, sabi ko, tinry ko, I think I'm using, ano pa nun, Globe Broadband, Globe Stick.
Ay, tangina, Globe Tattoo.
Yes.
May ringtone pa yun
Yes,
dati.
yes,
Tangina,
yes.
Gagawa iconic yun.
Yes, so yun, I don't know paano ko na-download yung Warframe, pero yeah. It's, ang late pa ng size ng Warframe way back. So,
Hindi.
like, so tontuwa ako nun kasi na-install na. Tapos, ayun. I think yung PC ko nun that time was what? 2 GB RAM? 4 GB RAM?
Oh my
I-
god.
I-
It
I
was the
can't-
Athlon days.
Yeah, I can't
Core to
remember.
core.
I can't remember honestly what are the specs on my PC. Pero ayun, I somehow able to play Warframe. Ilang years din yun bago ako nakapag-upgrade actually. So it was like an eye-opening experience. It was fun. Like Warframe is a game.
It's like a
Na-realize
open,
ko
like
na-realize ko that at that time na like Warframe is a game I'm gonna play for a long time. And right now I've been playing it since what? I started playing 2015, 2014. So that's what? 12 years? Is it?
holy shit.
Yeah. I've been playing Warframe for 12 years. Like right now it's not like super actively, but I still play it. So I think as far as I can tell,
Not like the time.
my Warframe experience has been great so far. I haven't left Warframe. Maybe take a breaks, pero Warframe has been like a good what should I call this?
Part of your life.
A good part or a good chunk of my life. 10%. 10%. Yeah. It's been like 10% of my life already. So yeah, there we go.
Warframe.
So what about you, Krona? So what made you started playing Warframe? So
Okay, so I actually started Warframe because of a friend of mine in Bacolod City, where, and he's like, "Hey guys, I'm also like done playing League for now. Like we have the same
Wow, we have
fucking
the same experience, man.
that time we were all actually in Skype.
Skype.
We were in Skype. Oh, wala pang Discord that time.
Yeah, fair enough.
2014, 2015 ata yun.
Yeah.
At first, hindi ako naglaro. Because like, I didn't know what the game was and he's like yapping about it. Tapos, nung nakita ko yung gameplay, I told him, oh, nakita ko doon sa home shop. Naglalaro dito malapit sa amin. He's like, yeah, you should definitely play it. So, when I played it for the first time, holy shit, I was like, ooh, what is this game? Why is it so smooth? Like, playing bullshit, like, bullet jumps and shit. I didn't know how it worked before.
For the time that Warframe is, it's way ahead of its time and it's so optimized, not gonna lie.
It's really fucking nice. Tapos nung naglaro kami, sabi ko, I think I'm gonna play this for a while. And yung unang experience ko was really nice. Tapos, then, I was stuck in a loop. Sabi ko, wait, why am I not leveling? why am I not like getting XP? Hindi ako
struggles.
na.
The struggles of everyone, man. Pag nag-start ka ng Warframe.
Alam ko, yung unang, yung pinili ko pang weapon nun, is like Paris, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Nakalimutan
It's
ko basta.
Breton or Paris yung options to first.
Yeah. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi ng tropa ko, level mo lang yung weapon po, you're gonna reach like MR something. And then I was like, what's that? It's like your level. Tapos I reached MR4 and shit. Tapos sabi niya, oh, look at my new Warframe. I think he had like a Vault Prime. Sabi ko, paano mo kuha yan? I paid for it. And I was like, what? You can buy shit here? Hindi ko alam that time kung may trading na. Pero yeah, that's basically how my Warframe experience started. Tapos like I stopped for a bit because yung tropa ko na like eventually like we had like different paths of our life na hindi na kami masyadong naglalaro, ganun. Tapos when pandemic hits, like si Chroma, which is yung tropa ko dati na hindi naman siya nag-Warframe din, like parang in-invite siya na mag-Warframe and stuff. Tapos parang bigla siyang naengganyo.
Hmm.
Tapos nung kinuwento niya sa akin na nagwa-Warframe siya, sabi ko, oh shit, I played this game before. And it was like, it was a long time ago though.
The sudden spark, the spark, it started again.
Oh. Sabi ko, wait, this is awfully familiar. What happened? Tapos yeah, and he's like, hey, I know this guy from another like big ass clan in fucking Warframe, and he's like gonna help us and stuff. Guess what? Guess who that guy is?
I wonder who. I wonder who.
That was your Mongander. Si ano si.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say his name. He's
Yeah.
you know what I
Gander.
mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was like he joined into our like little Discord group. There's like 5 of us there.
Uh-huh.
Tapos like he was like straight up speaking in English, and we were like, huh. This guy must be a Filipino man, and it's like, paano mo nasabi? Like, it just there's just something about him that's like Filipino. Tapos yun, like, we eventually joined Exiled. We were there. Ayun. And that's where my actual experience started. I've learned so many things from you guys. From like MR7 ako. MR6 ako nag-start dun. Sa Exile. Ayan, hanggang ngayon. Doon pa rin, di ba?
Yeah, I'm just like
Really
I'm
good
just,
times.
like the ano parang the butterfly effect na eventually you start
I've
playing
seen.
Warframe before ganyan then nagkakilala tayo then here we are we're doing podcast what the hell.
Yeah, we are right now doing podcast. Who would have thought, right?
Who would have thought.
We were just random people on the internet thinking like, hey bro, let's do a podcast like tomorrow, and he's like, what? Sure.
Why not?
Like,
Yeah, I
if
mean,
you guys
like,
didn't know.
It's like when you're thinking like before, it's like that's not gonna happen. Pero look
Yeah,
at right
yeah,
now,
yeah,
like
yeah.
it's not even in your thought na you're gonna do a podcast someday, or you don't
Yep.
even know who. You don't even know who. Then here we are doing podcast.
Actually
Currently in episode 2.
actually before we actually planned this like so many times, but it never happened. And
Yeah.
it just one day clicked to us like, hey, I think we can do a podcast now.
And here we are finally manifesting.
Tapos nung time na yun, nung gumawa kami ng episode 1, we were like so clueless. Like, what the fuck are we even gonna talk about on the podcast? We didn't even know what's gonna happen and shit. Tapos
Yeah.
here we are, like, instant right. Instant writing, bro.
instant
Like, not
writing,
even
yeah.
scripted.
It's not even scripted. We're just adding a bunch of stuff. Then yeah, that looks good. We should do that. Yeah, There's stuff like that.
If you see our script, there's like a fucking quotation mark there, like, very subjective answers. Not even
yeah.
a fucking script.
Yeah, it's not even the script. It's
Oh my
more of a
God.
it's just there. Let's just go with it. Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it works.
So,
It's good.
yeah, it's really good. So ayun, like that's our basically our intro. So
Mm-hmm.
speaking of Warframe, actually speaking of Warframe and clans, kasi ito naman tayo na like naputol sa pinag-usapan natin like last week or ngayon.
Mm-hmm.
Like, di ba may bagong update? I think it was a Shadowgrapher update.
Yes,
Like this
it's
March. I think it's gonna be released like 20s something.
26. I think it's March. It's March 26. I think that's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
25th Saturn or 27th, like early morning. Not sure.
Basta ganun, 20s.
Yeah, around like that. 26 or
Yeah.
27. Yeah.
Like I think it's gonna aim to give like a massive update to the clan benefits and like how a clan actually works. Di ba may mga
Oh,
clan rewards and
mhm.
benefits?
Yep,
Di ba
yep.
may mga updates sila na mga bagong incentives,
Mm-mm.
mga collaborative play and shit. Tapos sa dojo management, it's actually like enhanced for builders and potentially including improved decoration handling and addressing like child-parent dependency issues in the room construction. Things like those. Tapos,
Which is
ayun, yung mga-
good. Yeah.
Yep. Like, yeah, definitely. Like right now, I'm actually like starting to practice how like decorations are made in the dojo, which is
Yeah,
yesterday,
it's,
which is like
very,
a
very
huge ass frustration sometimes.
very timely nga, very timely nga rin yung QL update eh. So, you're just familiarizing yourself sa decorations and eventually meron ulit bagong QOL sa clan decorating
Right.
eh. which is good.
Yep,
It's like an easier way na ma-integrate yourself into like clan architecture, clan decorations as well.
that's true. Tapos, yeah, the frustrations of making a design in the dojo, it can be clunky. Like making the design in the dojo is like for the rest of the people that actually isn't doing it, it seems like an easy task. But in all honesty, it's really hard to actually create some funky designs without having to deal with alignment issues. Diba?
Yes, yes. Kasi like clan decorating is like a whole concept. Like it's very different from
Yes.
the core Warframe. It's more of a what you call this? More on the design side. You're not
Yep.
actively playing Warframe itself. You're building something into
Yep.
Warframe. So
But
it's not like
the
go ahead.
Yeah, but they actually made something like good when it comes to like decorating your dojo, because like you have full control over these shapes. Like hindi naman na ibebend mong shape, but more like you can control how like you resize it. Kung pwede mo siyang rotate in many different pieces, and like you combine those into making like a fucking sculpture. 'Di ba? So
Mm.
it's a really good thing na ginawa nila yun in the first place. Hindi nila kinonstrain yung tao sa kung ano lang yung itsura niya, which is really good.
Yeah,
But
actually.
you
No,
know,
like
we have to be
yung siguro
honest.
yung before like the very first like dojo stuff. Siguro yeah,
Yeah.
it's not really good. Kaya sobrang daming QL
Yes,
updates
yes.
nung like recent. It's not just this one, it's just one of the many yung QL update
Yes,
ngayon.
yes.
So like before it's not really good. It's sobrang stale, sobrang basic.
Yeah.
I just place this, place that. Charan, it's done. Ngayon, you can just like what you call this? Tinker it like little by
Yeah,
little,
you can
piece by
manipulate it even
piece.
more.
Yes, then you can make
It's
something
like
out of
building a
it.
puzzle.
Yeah, you can make something out of it.
Uh,
Na it's like you're giving life to something in Warframe that is not in Warframe, or
yep.
just a collection of Warframe decorations to something not Warframe. If I can say that,
Yep. So
that's weird. Anyways,
I'm just gonna add this up. Like DE, if you're listening, please give us a brush tool so we can just brush something like on the fucking floor.
oh yeah, I'm
Diba?
curious.
That's
Yeah, since our next update is Shadowgrapher, yeah, maybe they're considering it. Oh, we can't say,
exactly.
we
Like
can't say,
a fucking
but
brush.
maybe.
If even I mean, you can, why stop there? You can even add like a bucket tool, like it's a fucking paint program. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So yeah, 'di ba meron tayong so I'll just add this na lang din. 'Di ba meron tayong
Yeah.
like clan decorations. Meron tayong like orbiter
Yes.
orbiter decoration. Orbiter is your personal ship.
Yes.
Yep. So
Mhm.
sa orbiter, it's more of a medyo mahirap kasi siya eh. Kasi like the resources, ikaw lang talaga
Yes.
magpo-fund nun eh. So like the new update to Shadowgrapher, which is good, kasi nga meron tayong like
Mhm.
the clan rewards and benefits. So meron tayong like
Yes.
clan incentives every week. So if we play together
Which
as
is
a
good.
clan, as a
Mhm.
squad, we get like incentives for resources na
Yeah.
madodonate directly to the clan vault itself. So now, since we're like pushing clan decorations, it is actually a good time to play with people, or the update
Yes.
na coming update to like we're pushing designs, so we're also gonna need resources, like a lot of it. So
Exactly.
by pushing this clan engagements, we get more resources. We are able to decide more dojo decorations. So
Yeah.
which is good.
Exactly.
Kasi
Unless
like
they want to see like yellow floating things around the dojo.
yeah, so
Diba?
yun nga. Pagka yellow floating things, it's not, there's no resources, we don't have anything. So yeah, we can't really build it. Kasi building decorations, it takes 24 hours to build. So once
Yep.
you donate everything, may 24 hours duration just to make it appear like,
Pag-build
or
pa lang nun, hindi pa kasama dun yung way of thinking ng architect kung anong ginagawa niya dun sa loob, di ba? Like it can
yes.
take like a few days to a fucking month.
Mhm.
Depends.
It depends. So decorating takes a lot of time, especially dun sa architect. Kasi
Yep.
it's your is or building from scratch. Kasi meron tayong room area which is open space. It has nothing in it, like nothing. Even the floor
Yep.
has nothing. Walls, nothing. So yeah, it takes a lot of time. Syempre yung like
Paggawa pa ng
snappings.
landscaping, no? Holy
Landscaping
shit.
is wall snappings, decoration snappings. You have to line up everything perfectly. That takes a lot of time. Like
I don't
a lot
think
of time.
I don't think you can be a fucking architect if you have OCD because you're gonna get fucking frustrated
Yes,
when you're building this.
yes, basically, yeah, because yeah, I have my own share of experience in Sakura Dojo decorating, which is I don't know, it took me like a week probably just to design a small room. I mean, it turned out well, but yeah, you know what I mean. It's still frustrating.
Imagine the amount of room that a dojo has, and every single one of those are decorated, di ba? Holy
Yes, so
shit.
decorated. Kaya nga, lahat ng rooms natin sa dojo, it's all decorated, all with, well, not all na may teleporters, but you can go to them.
Yes, yes.
Walang problema. But most of it, most of our rooms in the dojo are decorated. And that's why, I'll just add this one. Did you know that we won the very first Clan Dojo Remastered contest in 2018?
Oh
We won
shit.
as on the second place. That is globally recognized. That is globally
Yes, and that's
recognized.
why you can also see our dojo sometimes like rotating in the featured dojo dun sa, dojo.
Yes. So, nung
Featured clan
2018,
sa dojo.
we
Rather.
won as a mountain clan. So, probably mag-appear tayo sa mountain clan. Like
Yep.
2018. We also won nung 2019 as well. Second place pa rin
Holy shit.
as a moon clan.
That's twice, huh? You
Yes,
can never
that
have
is
those things
that is
lately.
twice a year. Well, no, not twice. Twice successively. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
2 wins in 2 years, which
That's
is share ko lang.
that's a huge flex of Excel. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like if you just go to our dojo, you'll know what we win.
Yeah, and there's if you can still double check, we also have an exclusive trophy design that
Yes.
only us can use sa dojo. So
Oh, diba?
it doesn't appear on anyone, only those with the dojo remastered winners lang. So
Panis.
that's legit. So anyways,
But,
yeah.
yeah. I hope DE expands on that soon so we can enjoy creating more custom designs for our clan dojo. As you know, like most people, like we are also a bit of a creative people ourselves,
All right.
So let's talk about the new Warframe.
Mm-hmm.
Going back, the theme of this new Warframe is like dark painting, melancholy clown vibe, ink blots. It's like the vibe is a mix of a silly and sinister using like a thick viscous ink to control the battlefield. Like, what's the name of the Warframe again? I forgot the name of the Warframe.
It's Folly.
Iron Folly.
Yes.
Right, okay. So, ano nga ba si Folly? Kasi nakita natin yun sa dev stream.
Dev stream, yes, yes.
Yeah,
So,
the other day or whatever.
on my insights of kay Folly,
Mm.
her kit is really good. I mean, especially yung like the second ability. We'll talk
Yeah.
that later. So let's just focus on ano muna, the very Folly herself. Okay.
Yeah.
So Folly herself, I mean, design wise, it's good. It's okay. Medyo ano lang siya. It's
On the thicker side.
On the thicker side. Though
Yeah.
it's monotone lang yung color scheme niya. Although the
Nothing
base
wrong with
is
that, by the way.
nothing wrong with that. The base is good. The base color scheme is good. Pero yeah, black and white lang. It's very plain
Yeah.
though. You can customize naman siya sa what you call this? Appearance.
She looks like a squid.
Yeah.
Squid girl.
Actually, yeah. Mukha siyang squid. Actually, yeah. It looks like a squid kasi you're spraying ink everywhere.
Exactly.
Diba?
That's probably the fucking theme. We're dumb.
Oh my god.
Okay. So yeah, but yeah, at first when I saw her, I thought she looked like Ursula or some shit like that, like something similar to that vibe, like a dark,
Oh.
sinister woman.
Mm-hmm.
And I, yeah, but yeah, let's move on to the abilities because like this is really interesting. So yung passive niya, like it basically coats enemies in ink. Tapos it slows them down. Tapos like if you kill the enemies, like it has a higher chance of dropping health and energy orbs, which is actually like a some sort of a good thing like lately. Parang ano na siya, parang it's like
Hmm.
how can I say
Actually, yeah,
this? It's like a theme.
nagiging uso sa ngayon eh. Nagiging uso yung mga like they drop health or health and energy orbs kasi si
Yeah.
if I remember Citrine also has this sa first skill
Yeah.
niya. She has this and I think yung like yeah, abilities coat enemies. So every abilities probably should quote enemies kasi based on what I saw dun sa
Yes.
preview ng Folly video uh, if you probably make it range build it should be really good for support play,
Yeah.
though probably it would scale around strength since they do that, the chances scale with strength sa ibang warframes. So I think that's really good kasi you'll have a stable
Yeah.
source of health. You'll have a stable source of energy orbs. So you can just spam everywhere. Your teammates will thank you kasi syempre may energy orbs, di ba?
Mm.
Kasi
Yes. Tapos
that's really good.
it's like it's really interesting to see, like especially in second skill niya, which is we're actually gonna talk about like right now, a
Mm-hmm.
mobility move. Like it drives her into an
It's
ink
the
pool
first
to
skill.
reposition. Yeah, the first skill rather. Like it drives her into an ink pool to reposition, gaining temporary invulnerability and cleansing all status effects. You know what this reminds me of?
Who?
It reminds me of fucking Splatoon, man. Like when they dive
Ah,
into the ink so
yes.
they can reload.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes. Oh, yeah, yeah. Actually, it's Splatoon. Pero pero the kit itself,
Yeah, yeah,
Warframe
yeah, yeah.
wise, it's more of well, it's not really Saren, pero yung Saren second skill niya is it cleanses ability or cleanses
Yeah.
all status effects, so that's a good cleanse. Pero yung the way
Yeah.
you'll be able to reposition, it's more of a Kullervo mix with Saren second skill. Kullervo Blink
Which is
and Saren
yeah,
cleanse, which is good since lahat yung
it's really good.
since mentioning the ability as well, you'll splash ink blinking out and blinking in. So I think that's a good range.
Yeah.
So you'll
It's
get
like
more use of it. It's more like
I don't
ano
know,
siya,
man.
survivability tool, also giving
Yes.
you a good support kit, if I could say that.
If
Or I think yeah.
you know what I when I thought about when I read her kit, I was like,
Mhm.
I think the developer of this fucking Warframe is playing Splatoon, and he's like, I want a Squid Girl in Warframe. Why not, right?
Nung ano nga like the first announcement ni Folly, like no
Yeah, yeah,
idea,
yeah.
just they just told us that it's a paintress. People really
Yes.
related her to if you know Expedition 33.
Yes, yes, I do. Of course we
Ayun. So
do.
yeah,
No.
yeah, of course we do. Yeah. So Expedition 33 medyo na-relate nila yung mga tao dun sa kay
Mm.
Folly, but it's not really the same. It's not even the same.
Yeah, yeah, it's not the same.
Yeah. So
But
moving
like
on.
when you think about like a painter,
Mm,
like I'm just gonna quickly add this up.
sure.
I don't know pero may vibe like since 2025 or 2024, yung mga ganitong klaseng characters in the game. Like if you notice, like League of Legends also has a painter.
Oh yeah, actually it's way.
Yeah,
Yeah,
diba?
actually, yeah. I mean, you're
That's
right.
kind of strange.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, yeah, I just realized you're right.
Although not practically the same, but like people are actually like using these themes in games, which is actually quite interesting if you ask me. It's not
Yeah,
a bad thing.
it's actually
Yeah,
really good.
pero that's really good. So, ayun, moving on tayo sa sabi mo kanina, like the really interesting part of her
Yeah,
kit, which
the
is the
very
second skill.
interesting the second skill. So the second
Yeah.
skill, it's a like ability tool that paints and summon various equipment or mission specific items into reality. So ano tong mga items na to? And I saw the
Hmm.
video. It's insane. You can spawn in an explosive barrel out of thin air.
What the fuck?
Yes,
So you
you can.
can, so it's basically a fucking, ano tawag dito? Like, Dora's backpack type shit.
Yeah, something like that. It's not just that.
Shit.
You can spawn in. I don't know the full list, but you can spawn in like a life
Yeah.
support capsule. You can spawn in an
Yeah.
RPG. You can spawn in every pickup. Well, not every pickup, but most of the pickups you'll be able to use against the enemies. So
That's
imagine
really nice.
like
Yeah.
you're doing a survival mission, short case a life support. You just spawn in a life support
Yeah.
capsule and use it. Like
Oh, pre, ito pre, oh. Balita
broken
ko,
is
mamamatay ka na eh.
how broken is that? I mean,
Oh,
there's
shit.
so much I saw in the video. Pero yun yung like
Yeah.
sobrang interesting is you can just spawn in like mission specific items. So if, for example nga, yun nga, what you call this? You need power cells for excavator. You can
Mm.
just spawn in a power cell out of thin
Mag-AFK
air.
na lang ako dito pre. Eto pre, mag-spawn na ako ng power cell.
Yeah, so yun, mag-spawn lang ako ng power cell dito. Instantly full. Spawn ako ng 4 na power cell. Okay na. Meron na agad. Full na agad yung sa excavator. How useful
It's
is that?
so stupid.
It sounds so stupid, but it's incredibly good kit.
Yeah.
She's so
Yeah,
broken
yeah.
for that, yung second skill. She's broken everywhere. It's like you'll need her for every mission there is you can think of. Kasi
Pa sa akin,
you'll
she's like a
have
jack of all trades eh.
yeah, you'll
Diba?
have a use for her sa almost every mission kasi what you call this? Nag nag-adapt yung second skill niya to every kind of mission there is, which is really good.
So yung mga nadadrop niya lang, yung mga usable items, ganun.
Yes, usable items.
Okay. That's really good.
So that's really good.
Yeah. What about the third skill, which is self-portrait? This one is also interesting. Like, it summons an ink clone of herself that provides basically damage reduction to her.
I'm not
Ano kaya to?
sure.
Ano
Nakita ko yung video but I'm not sure if it taunts enemies.
Yeah.
Pero the one interesting I saw in the video or just a preview is
Yeah.
if you kill enemies near the clone grows.
So baka yung nangyayari dyan, like, di ba pag may namatay ka, di ba may, like, her passive, like, coats the enemies in ink, maybe
Mhm.
na-absorb yun ng clone.
I'm not so
Like, you
sure.
know,
Pero I don't
I'm
know
just-
how the clone works.
I'm just assuming things here, you know? Could
Yeah,
be interesting.
we really don't know the full kit of Folly herself kasi hindi pa naman siya release eh.
Yeah.
So we're just looking at previews and stuff. There's no like actual
Yep.
text to describe her. So we'll know by March 26 or 37, di ba?
Okay, so so we're here in the very most interesting part then kay Folly, which is the ultimate. Can you explain a little bit about the ultimate?
So yung ultimate niya is it's called Plain Air. So why Plain Air?
Mm.
Because it's a crowd control and armor stripping or or defense stripping.
Ooh.
So it attaches balloons to enemies that float them away and removing their armor and shields. Popping the
Tangina, si It
balloons
pala to eh.
causes massive fall damage. So before, fall damage isn't a very good thing. Ngayon with Folly,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
insane. I don't know the numbers, but I saw in the video, it's just 25 meters up, 30 meters up, you deal 3 million damage.
Remember what I said about the melancholy clown? I think this guy's it.
So yeah, it deals insane damage, honestly.
That's so
Pero I
crazy.
think I'm not sure if it's only limited to normal mobs. Most likely
Yeah.
it doesn't affect boss entities. It doesn't work that way. It's gonna be broken if that works. Pero yeah,
Yeah.
it could only be limited only sa normal mobs. Eximus units, I doubt if they have overguard. If wala siguro, they could be affected. But the damage is insane. It's really insane.
So like we really find this Warframe interesting, like the rest of the new Warframes, of course. Pero you know, you'll know exactly, guys, na pag-release na ito, pagka next day, meron na yan sa Rexanity. No doubt.
So, I gotta try it first. Then ayun na. So any questions, ayan, kaya ko na sagutin yan. Basta na-try ko na. So, yep.
Ano kayo ginagawa na itong clone na to? Ayan, ito.
Ayan, ito, meron ka na agad. Sagutin ko na agad yan, walang problema.
He is the Wikipedia of the Excel PH, guys. Kaya kung may tanong kayo, tag nyo lang. Bahala siya dyan.
Oo, tag niya lang ako. Sagutin ko yan. Kaya, walang problema.
Speaking
Basta,
of mga nagtatanong, may recently na-notice ko nag-pop off yung mga members natin, especially yung mga new members, nag-pop off yung mga questions nila dun sa Warframe chat natin, which is really good. Like, we want that, di ba? We want that to happen because like, this is a community. We're gonna answer your questions. Pag hindi kayo nasagot, pwede nyo itanong ulit. Di ba?
yeah. So, sagutin naman namin basta as long as we see it.
Yeah.
Basta masasagot naman namin.
Huwag kayong magtapos sa amin pag di namin nakita. Syempre, we're only human, guys. Like, we also have work.
Yeah, we also have work. We also have lives na may ginagawa rin kami. But as long as makita namin, we have the time, we can answer it. Walang problema.
Yep. And speaking of the new members, let's welcome the new members for the week, which is gonna be flashed in your screen right now.
All right. Welcome sa inyo. Welcome to the family. And
your first task, contribute to the vault. Seriously, we need those decorations, guys.
Yes. Also, for the upcoming update, Shadowgrapher, just play with your clan members, play with your friends within the clan.
Yes.
It's gonna be helpful para sa clan progression.
Sim. Pag wala kang tropa, wala kang pamilya, dito ka.
May mga kalaro dito.
Diba?
So, yeah. So, the Excited really incentivizes na maipaglaro with clan members, which is really good.
Yep. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung yung features ng mga itsura ng bagong Warframe natin. Like, we know she's on the thicker side of things, but there's nothing wrong with that. And like I said kanina, for legal reasons, like syempre hindi naman yun mawawalan na pwede natin siyang i-design, di ba? Like,
yeah.
fashion frame.
Yes, diba? Fashion framing, of course. Fashion framing.
Speaking of fashion
framing, yes.
What do you think of fashion frames? Does fashion framing actually make you better or not? Ayan.
Well, fashion framing, it's the peak end game. Every veteran, every long time player loves this. Oh my god. So yeah, fashion framing, express yourself, express like kung gusto mo maging edgy,
it's like cosplaying, di ba?
Cosplaying, kung gusto mo maging edgy, kung gusto mo maging I don't know what grinds your gears, it doesn't matter as long as you express yourself.
Gusto mo maging cold-blooded criminal yung itsura mo?
Kung gusto mo maging like skin tone,
nakita natin doon sa
like skin tone Warframe, it doesn't matter. As long as you enjoy, as long as you enjoy the design, as long as you enjoy what you did to it, that's that makes you better. So fashion framing, yes, it actually makes you better player.
Tapos, like what I think of fashion frames is actually like it's like a uniform to everybody or an identification kung sino ka talaga sa Warframe. Diba? Pag you represent yourself when it comes to your Warframe, and it's actually like it actually leaves like a huge ass mark to Warframe. It's like let's be honest, like most people just go here because of the fashion frame.
Yeah, actually. So yeah, the design level I really appreciate it from DE na you can actually like customize so much sa Warframe. Not really every bit in detail, pero the amount of customization right now, it's better than before. So I really appreciate the doing that kasi they're still adding like QL updates sa fashion framing, which is really good. So now, fashion framing, it's like peak representing yourself. Peak.
I feel like. Yeah. I feel like the games lately evolve around character customization, which is actually similar to Warframe's fashion frame, diba? If you notice, like Black Desert, which is actually like a really fucking intricate game that has like a huge ass customization even in their faces, diba? Mga muscle, mga different type of muscle, pwede mo maano eh. So, ayun. I was actually hoping like in the future if DE is really into this thing, like DE
I mean,
Sana,
sure,
baka
pero
naman.
not just fashion frames din. Meron din
Oh,
nung like it's a little bit of a spoiler for new players, but we also have the operators
yeah.
and drifters.
Yes, sir.
Meron din silang fashion. So I think, yeah,
Yep.
it still layers on the fashion framing. It really never leaves you as long as you play the game.
Speaking of Drifter, di ba may update yung Drifter lately na parang binago yung mga ano nila, yung
Ah,
cosmetic?
yes,
I
so
forgot,
yeah,
yeah.
they did a
Yeah.
rehaul of lahat ng appearances. Also
Yes.
hairstyles as well. So everything is
Mm.
rehauled. So actually Drifter actually looks very good right now. Hindi na sila mukhang
Yeah, it's really
Pixoto.
good right now. Nung last time, nung pagbukas ko, buong Navarro pa, nung bumalik ako, putang ina, naging vice ganda na.
No,
Yung
actually
Drifter ko.
yung like the face blending, they have face blending. So
Ah.
it really you can really like the minute detail na yung magiging it's slightly looking different from
Yes, yes.
everyone else. Yun.
Ayun. So, yeah. That's about fashion
Fashion
frames.
famous, yes. And also,
Mm.
since
Speaking
we
of,
talked about, we talk about fashion frames. So, last week, we did a podcast. So, we're just thinking, ano kayang pwedeng
gimmick.
gimmick, yeah. So, we asked a question sa community so about fashion framing. So, which fashions would you rate yourself? Like, hashtag best and hashtag worst. And
Yep.
here, we have our entries
Top
or
3.
best entries and results for this one. Okay,
Top 3.
top three.
So,
So
the
we only
top
picked
3.
three. So we
Ano
only
ba
picked
unahin natin? Best or
three.
worst?
I think siguro best na lang muna, no? And we could just
Sige.
step aside on the worst. Tapos we'll go from that. So the best one is
The top 3 muna. Top 3
this
muna.
is this is like the best picks.
One of the
not
best.
One of the best, yeah. One of the
One of
best
the
picks.
best.
It's not really like rated first, second, third. Okay, just to clarify
Yep.
that. Okay,
Yep.
so one of the best ones na nakita namin is submitted by Lucas3269, which is Culervo Fashion. So it looks
Yeah,
really
I really
good.
like.
I really like
I
the
really like it.
design. So
Yeah, it's like
it's edgy.
it looks like a Protoss unit in StarCraft.
Yeah,
Diba?
so siguro if nilagyan niya ng more like gold detailing, it would probably look like Protoss, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's one of the best Culervo. Siguro kung tatanggalin niya lang yung pimples niya sa leg. You can actually
Oo nga,
do that.
no?
You can remove the pimples on your neck dun sa helmet helmet operating table. Yeah, you can do that. But anyways,
may tumor pa rin.
the fashion is really good. The accent for blue, I think it's an ephemera. I'm not sure, but yeah, the blue
Yeah.
accent really good. The what you call this? The knives, I think that's for accents then.
Tapos
It's
yung
accent
weapon niya,
coloring.
nagko-combine well din sa kulay ng ano niya.
Yeah, the weapon really
Fashion frame
complements
niya,
the fashion as well.
Yeah.
So it's really
It's
good
really good.
Mm-mm.
Overall.
overall, yeah.
Yeah, tapos ito
And
pa yung another one of the best, hashtag best. By the way, if hindi kayo naglagay ng hashtag, hindi kayo pipiliin. So, you know.
oh, yes. So you know.
Ito yung the next one goes to Chroma Sanity. The best para sa akin, like the best Chroma. Like there
Hell
is
yeah.
kanina sa nakita natin sa fashion frame na channel. Diba? It looks
Yes,
really
sir.
edgy. Of course, exiled.
Very edgy, yes. Very
Very
edgy.
exiled.
Very exiled. I mean, titingnan mo pa lang doon sa clan logo natin, this edgy as hell. So yeah, really lead into like edgy get-ups, edgy fashions. I mean, there's still other fashions that looks really good, pero you know, it tickles a little bit in our heart na there's an edgy fashion there.
Yep. And yung ano niya, yung pag-combine niya ng like the dark reds and the bright oranges na nagko-complement dun sa energy ng chroma niya and the dark atmosphere of the actual armor and the body, which is actually really works well with that edgy theme, don't you think so?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Yung orange, like, I think this
Mhm.
is emissive. Emissive colors
Yeah, yeah,
yung
yeah, yeah.
orange niya. I think
It really
it's
works well.
an orange black mix. So medyo
Yeah.
like yung gradient yung orange niya is more may like dark edges. Kaya parang
Yep.
nag-deepen yung color nung ano niya. Like the flame accent. So it's really
Yep.
good. It's more of like a hellfire fashion.
It's like a
Hellfire
Dark
theme.
Souls type of armor, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, yeah. And so parang more on leaning on a hellfire theme accent thing. Tas yung
Yeah.
nagko-complement yung parang orange and black, which is really good kasi more of it's on a color mixing type
It's
thing.
like it's
Orange and black really mixes really good.
if I have to name this, it's probably gonna be like the Night of the Abyss.
So
Diba?
yeah. Also the ay napansin ko mayroong ephemera smoke.
Yeah.
This is Fog of War ephemera. So there's like a black. Siguro it would look really good on moving preview, not just like a stable picture.
Baka next time pwede niyong isubmit video, di ba?
Yeah, so
Baka lang naman.
video or there's also a feature in Warframe Captura. If you can,
Ayun, Captura.
if you can, or if possible, you can make it in Captura. That would
Para
be
mas
great.
maganda, di ba?
Para mas maganda siya tingnan. You can post, you can do anything, not just sa Arsenal ka lang. So, yeah.
Okay, let's proceed with the
Okay.
next one, which is a Necros by Robot with Human Hair. Okay, this one is like parang ano siya sa akin eh. It's like a Dracula type shit. Hindi
Yeah,
naman
yeah.
siguro, pero it's like basta it's representing something that looks sinister in a way. It's like a vampire aesthetic para sa akin. And it has a lot of edginess to it. Kasi
Yeah,
parang
edginess.
thorns kasi yung ano eh. Pati yung ulo niya, tingnan mo may thorns din. Di ba?
Oh, yeah. I think that's a Signa. Yeah. Krios ata. Krios Signa. Actually,
Okay.
napili ko siya since it's a hooded figure. If you really like glance into it,
Really
mukha siyang logo ng Excel. Diba?
Exactly, really exiled.
It's really exiled. Color scheme, black and red, very exiled. So the
classic.
the prime. I think this one is Tenogen. I'm not sure which Tenogen. So naka-on yung prime accessories niya, which really complements this style, black and red. So the
well, what's really interesting as well, may nilagay siyang parang dark green na contrast eh. Which is like contrasting the red very nicely in this scenario. Diba? It looks very sinister like if you like League of Legends, diba? May the mist, kulay green, parang ganun. Ganun yung vibe niya eh. It's like a dark aesthetic, which is actually really nice. Very good job. Very good job.
Very good job. So yeah, it's really good.
Yep.
Okay.
So ayun yung yun yung top 3 natin sa #best natin na submissions.
Yes,
Let's proceed
#best.
with the worst.
#worst. We're not saying it's the worst. We're saying that it's good, that it's worst. Yeah, something like that.
How we describe worst is like parang the funky side of the fashion framing, diba?
Yeah. Basically, it's not. We're saying it's. We're not saying it's bad. We're saying it's good because it looks like that. Ganon.
Okay, so para sa akin, ito like I'm gonna say this. This is like the best submission ever that I've seen. Okay. Arnel J's Infinity Kidney Stones. Yun yung comment ko dun sa niya, sa post niya.
Yeah.
Infinity Kidney Stones.
It looks so weird, man. Like, it mukha siyang, it looks like a clown na McDonald's na I don't know. It's just the weird, yung mixing ng colors, it's really weird. Like,
Same.
it kind of like hurts your eye. Like, what is this? Tapos yung add mo pa nung like the flat colored rocks floating around.
Same.
It's so weird, man. Like, it's so
ano yung
flat.
inisip ko dito?
Ano?
Like he's like a man like wearing a clown suit na may rabbit ears tapos he's selling drugs.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. It's maybe just a screenshot or just a
Yeah.
graphic quality, but it really adds to that depth na sobrang flat nung itsura nung bato. Like, it's just flat
Yeah.
colored.
Kaya nga Infinity Kidney Stones baka siguro
Yun
kidney
nga.
stones kasi it has a flat color.
Hey, that's
Oh,
weird.
I really like this
Yeah, oh
one.
my god. It's so good.
Also points for me. Never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yeah,
ayan,
okay.
let's
So
proceed to the next one.
You're then moving on to the next one. So also
Oh my
one of
God.
the hashtag worst is coming
Mhm.
from another entry by Lucas
I
3269.
see.
So it
This one
is
looks like a failed furry.
a Neja fashion. So yeah.
I don't know what I'm looking at,
know what I'm looking at. It's
It's all over the place. It looks like
it's all over the
sheep.
place.
It looks like Kindred from League of Legends.
I don't know. I can't really tell anything apart. It's just there. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not bad. It's just
it's not
weird
bad.
to look at. It's just
Yeah,
weird
it's
to look at.
Yung ano niya pa, yung post niya pa, it's like it's like a child that's afraid of looking, you know? Yung tinan mo yung paa, cross-legged. What the fuck is that?
Yun nga, actually yung like yung helmet ni Neja, it really looks like an eye. Diba?
Yeah.
So I mean, it's
My
actually
God.
it looks good if you look at another angle probably. But yeah,
Yep.
it's not really. It's still good. If I can say
Yep.
that. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's
But yeah,
fine.
it's fine. Yeah.
Let's
Okay naman
proceed
siya.
to the next one. Okay, next
Okay.
one. It's actually another submission by Chroma Sanity or Chroma. I mean, what's there to say here?
I mean, the Warframe itself, Prova itself is really like good looking, diba? But the
Yeah. The color
the color scheme, it
looks like an
eggplant.
Alam mo yung may tumubong eggplant sa likod ng bahay mo tapos it looks like a fucking mutated plant.
Yeah, it looks like this one. I mean, for the like the color sense, it's actually good.
Yeah.
Pero yung
Yep.
the inspiration for it, it's an eggplant, man. What more can you
It's an
say?
eggplant, man. Oh my god. So okay, that's the hashtag worst of our submissions dun sa fashion frame natin. Actually, next week meron pa ulit. So
Yeah, so keep them
Submit yours.
coming. We really wanted to see those fashions. So
wag yung kalimutan yung hashtag. Kailangan natin yun para sa submission. It's like a ticket for your entry. Pag walang ganun,
Yes.
tapos submit ka lang ng submit, di wala din, di ba?
yes.
Parang pinakita mo lang pero wala na bang wala na pang
Yeah,
inabang.
yeah. We really need
Ay.
those hashtags para pick namin na, okay, you're entering for the fashion frames submissions. Diba?
Also, we have a special mention dito sa mga nag-submit, no? Like, does it mean that you didn't get the pick? Does it mean na hindi kayo ma-recognize, Which is actually another one, Colervo. Kanino nga to? Nakalimutan ko. Pero makita nyo lang yan sa screen ko kanino to mamaya. Like it looks like it looks like a sun god from Egypt, 'di ba, boss? Like
It actually looks good yung like the shoulder
Oh,
pauldrons. I'm not
yeah.
sure what is that
Mm,
or what type of shoulders is that, but
yeah.
it looks really good the way yung
Pero
stancing.
yeah, yung pagsabit niya nito nasa worst eh. Pero it man, this looks good. So it's probably gonna be your best. Not gonna lie. It
Yeah,
should have been your best.
it looks really good actually. Siguro yung ano lang yung injections, it's been
Yeah.
using sa deluxe skin eh. So I think it looks really good kung probably
Yep.
wala. I'm not sure if that's an option. Or yung
Yeah.
swords na lang. Yeah.
Yeah, but it really doesn't bother me yung mga injections, honestly. It's like fine.
I mean, okay naman siya, pero I think
Yeah.
it would
But
really look
it does look
better
better pag wala. Yeah.
pag wala or yung swords na lang siguro
Yep.
probably. Well, either way, it's still really good. The accent is really good.
Good job for that.
The red and black gradients, tapos yung black and gold gradient sa shoulder pads. It looks really good.
Yep. Tapos the next one, another from Lucas. The
Yes,
Skyrim
another.
skeleton memes ako.
Yes. So yeah, another entry from Lucas. Nakakatatlong beses si Lucas kaya na. Like, it's a special mention. I mean, to be fair, he has many entries. So
Yep.
yeah, marami siyang in-entry. And I think, yeah, it's only fair.
If you
Kasi,
guys didn't know, like you can enter as many as you want.
yes, you can enter as many as you want. We can also pick. It's also possible na ma-pick kayo from every entry available.
Yep.
So yun, yeah, we're seeing this one as, yeah, if you're you know the Skyrim skeleton meme.
Of course.
You know that. Yun. So there you go. Also the helmet says it's still there.
It's so fucking strange to me. Bakit yung Warframe may mga tumor, pre? Is that part of the meme?
No, I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe I don't know.
But other than that, it looks really good. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it looks really
Pero
good. Yeah.
it could be part of his aesthetic kasi yung gitna niya parang may red doon na part, oh. Tignan mo.
Yun nga eh. I think that's...
Mali mo yun. Yun yung parasite na nagko-control sa Warframe niya, no? Like,
Yun nga eh. Ewan ko rin, pero yeah, it's there. The cyst. So
it's
yun.
really fucking weird, but it's really good.
It's really good, yes.
So, ayun, doon tayo nagtatapos sa ating best and worst Warframe for this week. Congratulations sa mga napili, and you're gonna be showcased in our announcement mamaya.
Yes, you're gonna be showcasing an announcements. That is weekly. It's going to be a weekly thing.
Yes,
Our fashion
sir.
frames is going to be a weekly thing. So probably we'll be adding more in the future other than fashion
Yes.
frames, but we're still going to look into that, and we'll just update everyone with whatever
Also,
comes naman.
For those who didn't know, like, masingit ko lang, we create shorts for the people that submit clips on the Drop Your Clips channel. So if you haven't already, or you have an epic clip there na hindi mo pa pinapakita sa iba, or hindi mo pa na-send, for any game to, just drop it there and we'll create a short for you. We'll put it in the XLPH official YouTube channel, which you should definitely subscribe. By the way, we need that.
Yes, we also need the subscriptions. So yeah, it's going to be a platform for everyone. So you'll be featured there along with your name. So yep, it's just going to be like a platform for the XL community as well. Yung
Yep.
XLPH group sa YouTube natin.
Also
XLPH
follow
official.
our Facebook page, the XLPH Gaming. Kasi hindi pa namin natanggal yung gaming doon. Pero nag-stream kasi kami doon minsan kaya may gaming. So,
Yeah,
ayun.
it's way back pa naman. So yeah, it's just a random stuff. So
Yep.
ayun. So, but we'll be improving more about sa mga ganyan. So yeah, just
Exactly.
yan lang. Keep it.
So, ayun. I think our episode 2 has concluded na kasi like we talked about everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's podcast, and I hope you support us by following our socials. 'Di ba? Stay
Yep.
stylish, guys. Keep grinding. I'm Krona with Drexanity here.
See you in the Origin System.
and thanks for watching. the
Excel
Exiled Podcast.